Hey guys, want to talk to you about the Brazilia. Of course, everybody knows this cigar is a legendary cigar from CAO, launched in 2001 using a Brazilian wrapper. Really, it was the first company, CAO was the first company to really introduce a Brazilian wrapper to the market, and from the get-go to today, it's one of the #1 selling cigars for CAO. The taste, the profile is something I think you know that you don't get normally for other cigars. So I think you're going to enjoy the cigar. It's a medium to full body cigar, depending on what you smoke, how often you smoke. But to me, when I'm smoking, I get a lot of coffee-ish flavors, chocolate flavors in the cigar, and I think you're going to enjoy it. Again, it's one of the best-selling cigars for CAO to this day, and one reason is a great cigar. So hopefully you're going to enjoy the cigar.